Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video I will show you how to add apps to Quick Launch. So you can do that in your settings. Let's open them, and you want to go to section Security and Privacy. Now you want to find Device Unlock section, and from here you want to select Face and Fingerprint Unlock, and finally let's go to Fingerprint. So now you want to here find section Quick Launch, and let's go to here you can see a little preview of your current Quick Launch, how it looks like right now, and you want to tap Edit button, and let's select Apps section. So here you can see a list of applications that are in the alphabetical order. So in order to add any kind of application, you want to simply tap on it. Okay, but before that I need to remove one item from my Quick Launch. So I will tap minus icon, and now when I have here empty space, I can finally add application by simply tapping on it, and as you can see it appears right here. So I will remove any kind of option and then I will add another. When you're done, you have to tap done in the top right to save any changes. So yeah, that's basically how you can add applications to Quick Launch, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.